Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 10th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warm for one more day. Much colder Friday. We could see some winter weather mischief over extreme North Alabama Friday, and then everybody goes in the deep freeze this weekend. Let's go see if we can answer all your questions. This is the upper air look today. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. You can see that big trough in the southwestern states. That'll be moving eastward. That brings our next chance of organized rain on Friday, but tomorrow we could see some showers. There's the visible satellite view this afternoon. Sky mostly cloudy across the state, a few thin spots in the cloud cover, and we've seen a few sprinkles around, but really not much happening on radar. It's mild. We're up in the 60s. Birmingham at 65, Tuscaloosa 66. Some spots may be touching 70 tomorrow. But that'll be the last warm day for a while. Around the region, look at Nashville 65, Louisville 62. But nationally, a new surge of very cold air nosing down across the Canadian border, affecting parts of North Dakota, Montana, and we will feel that air Friday afternoon and over the weekend. On the watch warning map, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in effect for a lot of the high plains, the upper Midwest. Down this way, we now have a winter storm watch in effect for parts of western and middle Tennessee. This includes Memphis and Jackson in the areas just west of Nashville. It includes extreme North Mississippi and northeast Arkansas. There are no winter storm watches in effect for any part of Alabama at this point. Check the convective outlook for tomorrow. This is day 2 for Thursday. There could be some thunder here, but no severe weather expected. The instability values just don't permit that. Rain for the next 7 days, precipitation. Pretty good rains back in the Pacific Northwest, and here amounts around 1.5 inches for the Tennessee Valley, with lighter amounts down to the south. And again, this is the rain valid through Wednesday of next week. Now, this is the chance of accumulating snow greater than 2 inches Friday, and you can see the better probabilities are north of Alabama, up in Tennessee. But again, there could be some accumulation over extreme North Alabama Friday, but for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, prospects of accumulating snow are very, very small at this point. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon, troughing to the west. And again, a very mild day, highs 67 to 70, mostly cloudy. We could see a few showers, maybe even some thunder late tomorrow. Organized snow likely for places like Wichita, Kansas, Des Moines, Iowa, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. We'll go to Friday at noon, widespread rain. We turn colder. We start the day in the 50s. We fall through the 40s, winding up in the 30s by late afternoon. And you can see the possibility of rain changing to a wintry mix over the northwestern corner of the state by late morning. This is Friday evening at 6 o'clock, and the GFS suggesting most of the snow north of Alabama and Tennessee. Still, there could be some snow down to Athens and Huntsville and Scottsboro. But for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, no. Just a cold rain ending late in the day Friday. We'll check the snow accumulation potential coming off the GFS. And you can see it's putting down the heavier snows, and this is suggesting maybe some 6-inch amounts through parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. And the areas kind of northeast of Memphis and west of Nashville, but really nothing at all for Alabama in terms of accumulation. This is the European snow accumulation, and it's probably closer to being realistic. And again, for North Alabama, really nothing. This is suggesting maybe an inch or two around Nashville and parts of Tennessee, up into Kentucky. And the NAM is the outlier. It's been going hog wild with these 20-inch amounts, and we don't buy that at all. But again, let me kind of go back to the winter storm watch. And again, if you're traveling, this is where the greatest chance of problems will be. Middle and western Tennessee and up into Kentucky. And again, this is Friday, and the snow should be ending Friday night. Then for the weekend, just cold and dry, windy. The sky becoming partly sunny. The high probably in the upper 30s. It's going to feel colder. Sunday, we start the day in the upper teens, most likely. The GFS now showing 18 for Birmingham, the high only at 37. The sky will be sunny and still breezy. Monday, a clipper passing north of the state. That could bring some snow to areas north of here. We'll probably hit the middle 40s, but a new surge of cold air Tuesday comes in behind the clipper, and highs most likely dropping in the upper 30s. And a week from today, troughing moves on, but we still got a cold air mass, the high only around 40, most likely. And let me just say, the GFS all of a sudden is showing a low Wednesday morning of next week of 12. Don't think it gets that cold, but we certainly could be in the teens Wednesday morning of next week. Bottom line is Saturday through Wednesday looking very cold and dry. This is the end of the forecast period. Saturday the 20th, troughing in the western states. We're warming up, and that's suggesting maybe a few showers around, especially north of here. Check the numbers coming off the European ensemble. And again, that high Friday is going to come during the early morning hours of 59. We'll be in the 30s, most likely late Friday afternoon. Highs in the 30s Saturday and Sunday. 44 Monday, then back in the upper 30s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then we warm up, maybe reaching 60 by Saturday, January 20th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.